Understanding the parts of a math expression. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at a simple math equation and wondered what each specific number and symbol is actually called? Knowing the proper vocabulary in math is like knowing the rules of a game. It makes understanding higher-level math so much easier. Today, we're going to break down the 4 basic arithmetic operations step by step and label every single part of an expression. Let's dive in. Let's start with part 1, addition. Take a look at this equation. 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. The numbers being added, 15 and 10 in an addition problem, the numbers that you add together are called addends. Both 15 and 10 are addends. The plus symbol, the symbol connecting them, is the addition operator, often referred to simply as the plus sign. The equal symbol, next up, is the equal sign, which tells us that the left side has the same value as the right side. The result, 25. Finally, the total amount you get after adding the addends together is called the sum. Moving on to part 2, subtraction. Here we have the equation, 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. The starting number, 15, the first number, the total amount you start with before taking anything away, is called the minuend. The minus symbol, the symbol in the middle, is the subtraction operator, or the minus sign. The number taken away, the amount being subtracted or taken away from the minuend, is called the subtrahend. The equal symbol, then comes our trusty equal sign. The result, 5, the remaining result after subtraction, is called the difference. Part 3, multiplication. Now let's look at part 3, multiplication. Consider the equation, 15 times 10 is equal to 150. The first number, 15, the number being multiplied, is called the multiplicand, or more generally, factor 1. The multiplication symbol, the symbol joining the numbers, is the multiplication operator or times sign. The second number, 10, the number you multiply by, is called the multiplier, or factor 2. The equal symbol, followed by the equal sign. The result, 150, the final outcome of multiplying factors together, is called the product. Part 4, division. Finally, we arrive at part 4, division. Let's examine. 15 divided by 10 is equal to 1.5. The total being divided, 15, the starting amount that you want to split into equal parts, is called the dividend. The division symbol, the symbol representing division, is the division operator. The number dividing, 10, the number of equal parts you are dividing by, is called the divisor. The equal symbol, then we have the equal sign. The result, 1.5, the answer to a division problem, is called the quotient. Lightbulb summary cheat sheet. And there you have it. Now you know all the formal mathematical terms for the parts of an expression across addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a classmate or teacher, and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-understand math lessons. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.